Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install the simple mobile app. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so let's just go straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to go to the App Store or to the Google Play Store. So go ahead and open the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then you're going to search for Simple. So in the search bar, go ahead and type in Simple, and just select the Simple app from the search results. And once you find that, just click on the Get button for iOS devices, or it's Install button for the Android devices. And now just wait for the app to download and install into your device. And from there, you can just launch the app and log into your Simple account. That's pretty much it on how to download and install the Simple mobile app in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.